Life moves fast, and if you're not careful, your own time is usually the first thing to disappear. I work in fitness and I train people for a living, but I'm also juggling real life like everyone else. Even though I'm a sports medicine personal trainer, I've always encouraged my clients to spend time outdoors. I can help them build a stronger body, but mental health is closely connected to physical health. I have these little check-in moments with myself in the car all the time. After a long day, when I'm tired, and deciding what the rest of the evening is going to look like. Even though fitness is my job, I still have days where motivation is low. The difference now is I don't wait for motivation. I just aim to move a little bit, and once I start, I never regret it. Instead of trying to do everything perfectly, we should focus on the smallest habit that brings the biggest benefit to our health. When my clients ask me if I could only choose one piece of fitness equipment, what should it be? My answer has always been the same: a treadmill. On days when getting outside isn't realistic, having something at home fills that gap. I don't have to hype myself up or carve out a huge chunk of time. I can start slow, let my body warm up, and ease into movement without pressure. That alone removes so much friction. And when friction goes away, consistency gets easier. So many people fall off routines because they feel like fitness has to look a certain way, a certain length, a certain intensity. Once you let go of that mindset, movement becomes something you return to, not something you avoid. That's when habits actually start to stick. I like that I can adjust how I feel day by day. Some days it's a steady walk, some days it's a light run, and some days it's just enough movement to shake off stress. There's no expectation, just options, and that flexibility is what keeps me coming back. It also fits into our life naturally. We don't schedule it or overthink it. We just take turns when it makes sense. When movement feels normal instead of forced, it becomes part of the household rhythm, not another thing on the to-do list. That mind shift alone has made staying active way more sustainable. From a value perspective, this is the kind of setup I often recommend to people who want something practical and realistic. It's under $400, it has a lot of positive feedback, and it comes with a 1-year warranty, which matters when you're investing in something you plan to use regularly. It feels sturdy, reliable, and designed for real life, not just short-term motivation. At the end of the day, movement isn't about doing the most. It's about doing what you can, where you are, with what you have. Some days that's outdoors. Some days it's at home. That's how routines become habits, and habits become part of who you are.